of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. In words is given the question, but we have to form the equation and we will solve the difference between two numbers is 26. Difference means what? Minus. Two numbers difference, how much is there? 26 is there. One number is 3 times the other number, find them. So here we will get two equations. We will form two equations. We will find x value and y value. We will solve. See here, the difference between two numbers is 26. First we will form up to here first equation. The difference between two numbers is 26. See here, one number we will take x. Let first number be x. One number we will take x. Next second number is 1. So you have to write it. How is this? X is greater than y. Now I am taking x is the big number, y is the small number. Let first number be x and other number is y. So x is greater than y. Now see here, the difference between two numbers is 26. See here, this first number is what? X. Difference means minus. X minus y is equal to 26. Two numbers different. Difference means minus. So x minus y is equal to 26. And now this is the first equation. Next, one number is 3 times the other number, find them. See here, one number what? X. Other number what? Y. One number is 3 times the other number. See here, this is the big number, this is the small number. Actually, this is only 3 times. See here, x and y we are taking. We will understand the sentence, you will understand and form the equation. One number is 3 times the other. This is the big number, this is the small number. Actually, this is only 3 times. So, one number is 3 times the other number. Big number only 3 times. But here equations are there. Equations is there means which side small is there, that side you have to multiply, means it will be equalized. See here, this is the equation. See here, one scale is there, you think. We are taking tomato something, you think. See here. Now equations, we will equalize this one. See here, 5 kg tomatoes are there. Here 2 kg tomatoes are there. See here 3 more is there. 3 kg more is there, here 2 kg is there. Meaning what? This is 5 kg is there. So compared to this one, this is 3 kg more. But it is the equation, we have to form equalize. Equalize means that 3 kg extra, this side only is there. But which side we will add? This side or this side? This side adding means again this is, again it is more number, it is same number only. So now what we will do, which side is less? That 3x, this is only more. But what we will do, this side you are adding 3 means, this what happens? Here also 5 kg, here also 5 kg. So here every equation you understand and form the equation. See here what is there. One number is 3 times other. This is the big number, this is the small number. This meaning what? This is only big. This is only big. Actually this is 3 times. X is only 3 times is there. But you have to equalize the sentence. Equalize the sentence means what we will do? Which side less is there? Now that side only we will multiply the number. 3 times means this is 2 and 2 is came means 2 3 is 6. This is 5 came means this is 5 3 is 15. So compared to this one, this is 3 times is there. But you don't multiply here 3. You multiply here 3. Every equation we have to equalize. So which side less is there? Now that side you have to take that. This is the second. Are you clear? I think. See here, first equation, second equation is there. Which method we will do? Substitution method we will do. Now see here, this is direct answer is there. Second equation, see x is equal to 3y. Direct x value is there. This x value you substitute in first equation, you will get the answer. See here. Now I am writing x is equal to 3y. X is equal to 3y means which equation? Second equation. 3y substituting equation 1. First equation. This second equation you are substituting in the first equation. Now see here, first equation what I am taking? X minus y is equal to 26. What is the x value? This x equal to 3y. See here, this x plus we are writing 3y. Y write as it is equal to 26. 3y minus y, here nothing means 1, 3 minus 1, 2. 2y is equal to 26. Now y is equal to 26 divided by 2. Now cancel possible. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. Y is equal to 13. So y answer you got 13. Now you want x value. X value you want means you substitute in this equation, you will get the x answer. Right here y is equal to 13. Substituting which equation? Equation 2. Substituting in equation 2. What is the equation 2 is there? Write it. X is equal to 3y. X is equal to 3y. X value don't know. Write like this only. 3 into what is the y value? Y value is the 13. So x is equal to 3 13 is the 39. So x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 39 and y is equal to, what is the y value? Y is equal to 13. Y is equal to 13. So x value 39, y value is 13. It is right or wrong also we can compare. See here, one number is 3 times the other. See here, first number we are taking, second number we are taking. See here, first number what is there? 13. Compared to this one 3 times. 3 times means 13 3 is 39. See here, first number, this is big number we are taking. X is a big number, y is the small number. This small number, big compared to the small number, first number is the big number is the 3 times. 13 3 is 39. So our answer is correct. Now second question. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. This is the question. Supplementary angles means what? Any two angles some 180 degrees there means it is called a supplementary angle. Two angles some 90 degrees there means it is a complementary angle. Here supplementary angles. So one angle we are taking, let the larger angle be x. Let the smaller angle be y. So here supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means this x plus y, two angles sum how much degree? 180 degrees there means it is a supplementary angles. So first I am writing first equation. First angle x, second angle y. These two angles sum 180 degrees there means the two is called supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means two angles we will take 180 degree. This is the first equation. Next we will think, every time you will get two equations. See here. Exceeds the smaller angle by 18 degree. Exceeds the smaller angle by 18 degree. See here, one small angle we will take, one big angle we will take. This is big angle, this is the small angle. See here, smaller angle by 18 degree. Exceeds means what? Here more is there. Here more is there means which side we will add 18 degree? You add this side 18 degree. See here, smaller angle compared to big angle, see here, this is the big angle, this is the smaller angle. This both comparing means this angle, smaller angle, bigger angle comparing means this is 18 degrees more. This is 18 degrees there more. But we have to equalize the equation. This side more is there means we can't add this side. We add this side. So what is the equation is there? X is equal to y plus 18. So this is the second equation. These two equations you will solve and we will find the answer. Now see here which method we will do? Substitution method we will do. See here direct x is equal to is there. So we will substitute in the first equation, you will get the answer. See here I am writing here x is equal to y plus 18, substituting in which equation? In equation 1. So now we will take first equation, x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So x value what is there? Y plus 18. This x plus I am writing y plus 18. This x plus I am writing y plus 18. Plus this y as it is right is equal to 180 degree. Now we will simplify. Y plus y how much? 2y. 2y plus 18 is equal to 180 degree. This 18 you send that side. 2y is equal to 180 degree minus 18 degree. So 2y is equal to 10 minus 8 here 2. Here 7 remain. 7 minus 1 6. 162 degree. Equal to y is equal to 162. Here into is there, after is equal to it is a divide. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Y is equal to 81. One answer came. Now we will find x value. So direct you substitute in second equation, you will get answer. So y is equal to 81, substituting which equation? Equation 2. You substitute in equation 2. Equation 2 what is there? X is equal to y plus 18. X is equal to y plus 18. Now see here, x is equal to y value how much is there? 81 plus 18. X is equal to what is there? 8 plus 1 9. 8 plus 1 9. So x is equal to 99. Y is equal to x. Here the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls rupees 3,800. Later she buys 3 bats, 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball you have to find. So here what is there? Bat is there, ball is there. One we will take x, one we will take y. Let the cost of the bat be x. Next let the cost of the ball be y. See here, one we are taking x, one we are taking y. According to question, what is the equation is there, we will write. See here, how many bats? 7 bats and 6 balls. Bat means x. So 7x plus balls means y. So 6y is equal to 3,800. This is the first equation. 7 bats, 6 balls, total rupees how many? 3,800. First equation over. Next, 3 bats and 5 balls. Bat means x. 3 bats and 5 balls. 5y is equal to what is 1,750. This is the set. Now this 2 we will solve and we will find x value and y value. Which method? Substitution method only we will find. See here, first I am taking first equation. This question little bit calculations more is there. Slowly we did means we will get correct answer. Okay. See here. Now I am taking first equation. From equation 1 we get. See Baba, one equation I am taking. What is the one equation is there? 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. Only x we will keep, remaining we will send that side. First I am sending 6y. See here, 7x equal to 3,800. Here plus 6y, after is equal to minus 6y. Next this 7 also we will send there. See here, x equal to 3,800 minus 6y, here into, after is equal to, it's become a divided by 7. Now this is which equation? We will take third equation. First equation we are taking and we are taking x is equal to this answer you will get third equation. This third equation where we will substitute second equation you have to substitute. Now I will write, see, this is I will take equation 3. Equation 3 substituting in which equation? Equation 2. This one I am substituting in equation 2. So now we will take which equation? Second equation we will take. I am taking, see, 3x plus 5y is equal to 1,750. So x plus what we will substitute? 3,800 minus 6y divided by 7 we will substitute. So here I am substituting, see, 3 into, I am substituting what? 3,800 minus 6y divided by 7, bracket close. Next you write plus 5y is equal to 1,750. See it? No any cancel? No cancel. No cancel means 3 into this full we will do. See here, 3,800 into 3. I am doing here, see, 3,800 into 3. Into 3. Into, this is 8. Into 3 means 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. So this 2 multiplied means what we are getting? 11,400. 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are correct. So this 2 multiplied means we will get 11,400 minus 3 into this one. 3 6 are 18y. 18y divided by what is there? 7. Next one write as it is. 5y is equal to 1,750. Do the calculations properly. See here. See here, these 2 multiplied means you have got 11,400. Next 3 6 are 18y divided by 7. This is 5y as it is. Next we are writing this one. Now here what is the chances there? Down nothing is 1 right. 7 1 LCM. What is the LCM? 7 is the LCM. 7 1 is 7. So this full multiply into 1. Next 1 7 is 7. Now see here, 1 into this full what you will get? Same answer only you will get. 11,400 minus 18y. Next what is there? Plus see here, plus 7 5 is 35y is equal to 1750. Once again I will say here, this 1 into this full same as it is, you will get 5 7s are 35y is equal to 1750. Now what we will do, this 7 we will send that side. Here divide after is equal to into. Now I am writing this also simplification possible is there. I am writing 11,400 and 35 minus 18. 35 minus 18 what? 8, 9, 10, 7, 2 minus 1. This 2 simplified means you will get which 17 plus 17y is equal to 1750. Here divide after is equal to into. See Baba, once again this one write as it is. This 2 simplified means you will get 17y is equal to 1750. It is divide after is equal to into. Now write here 11,400 plus 17y is equal to this 2 multiply 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35. Next 7 7s are 49, 50, 51, 52. Here 5 will remain, 7 1s are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 2, 5, 0 you will get. See here, this 2 multiplied means 12,250. See here, this is the is equal to, don't confuse, this is the 1 is equal to 12,250 you will get. Now this number you send that side, 17y equal to 12,250 minus 11,400. Now see here, I will subtract here 12,250 minus 11,400. Now see here, 0, 5, 12 minus 4, 8. Next what is remain here? Here 1 remain. So you will get 17y is equal to 850 you will get. Now you want y. Y is equal to what? 850 divided by 17. 17 1s are 17, 17 5s are 85, 17 zeros are 0. Y is equal to how much? 50. Now you got y value. Y value getting after you have to find x value. In this one substituting means you will get x value. See here, y is equal to 50. Now what I am doing? Y is equal to 50. Substituting which equation? Third equation. Third equation is direct you will get x value. Substituting in equation 3. Equation 3 I will take C. Equation 3 what is there? X is equal to what is there? 3,800 minus 6y divided by 7. Now see here 3,800 minus 6y divided by 7. Here y value how much will substitute? 50. See here x is equal to 3,800 minus 6 into y value is the 50 divided by 7. Now see here x equal to 3,800 minus 6 5 is 30. 300 divided by 7. 3,800 minus 300, 3,500 divided by, write properly, 3,500 divided by 7. Now cancel possible. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 2 zeros. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 500. X means bat. X means what? Bat. Y means ball. Cost of one bat is 500 rupees. Cost of one ball is 50 rupees. You can write. Therefore, cost of one bat is equal to how many rupees? Rupees 500. Cost of one ball is equal to how many rupees? Rupees 50. This is the answer.